Welcome to the first episode of Healthy Pushup. Today, we're diving into the world of olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold. So, let's pour some knowledge on why olive oil should be a staple in your diet. First things first, what is olive oil? Well, it's a culinary superstar derived from the fruit of the olive tree, a Mediterranean icon. Olive oil is created by pressing these olives, and its uses are far more diverse than just cooking. Let's talk about the incredible health benefits of olive oil. It's loaded with antioxidants that combat those pesky free radicals in your body, protecting your cells from damage and potentially reducing your risk of certain diseases, like cancer. One of the most celebrated aspects of olive oil is its heart-boosting prowess. In the Mediterranean diet, where olive oil takes center stage, people tend to enjoy a longer life with fewer heart-related issues. It's like nature's shield for your cardiovascular system. Experts recommend about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily to reduce your risk of heart disease and inflammation. Those polyphenols in extra virgin olive oil, they're like your body's personal bodyguards, protecting you from various health threats. But the wonders of olive oil don't stop there. Research suggests that it may even help protect against Alzheimer's disease by promoting healthy blood vessels in the brain. Talk about brain food. Your liver is in for a treat too. Olive oil's compounds might help prevent or even reverse liver damage, safeguarding this vital organ. For those battling inflammatory bowel diseases, like colitis, olive oil's phenols can do wonders for your gut health. They work their magic by altering the gut's microbial landscape. Nutritionally, olive oil is no slouch either. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, 1 tablespoon, or 13.5 grams of olive oil provides 119 calories, 13.5 grams of fat, of which 1.86 grams is saturated, 1.9 milligrams of vitamin E, 8.13 micrograms of vitamin K. It also contains traces of calcium and potassium, as well as trusted source polyphenols, tocopherols, phytosterols, squalene, and terpenic acids and other antioxidants. So most important question is, how can you make the most of olive oil? Always opt for extra virgin olive oil, as it retains the most antioxidants and has a high smoke point, making it perfect for various cooking methods. Keep in mind that olive oil comes in different grades. From U.S. extra virgin olive oil with excellent flavor to U.S. olive oil, which is a mix of virgin and refined oils. Choose wisely. Incorporate it into your daily life. Drizzle it on salads, use it for sautéing, and even try it in your homemade bread. The possibilities are endless. To sum it up, folks, olive oil isn't just a kitchen essential, it's a true elixir for your health. So, go ahead, embrace this liquid gold, and savor the flavor of good health. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more nutrition insights, and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Until next time, keep eating smart and living healthy. Peace out.